this will be a nice little option here where you can project to polygroups, okay? And this would be nice if you could project or snap to reference or conform with a scene mesh. Okay, I'm using this grid as example, and it would be nice if you could adjust the how many grids you want or how less you want. And also, if I want to import any kind of mesh, let's say you put half a sphere over this head or part of a sphere, have like subdivision levels where you can adjust it at any time how many grids you want or how many polygons, so that way you can adjust it back and forth. Alright, then the next step here, you can see I got a polygroup here. Now I did this in ZBrush. All I did was mask this and convert the masking into a polygroup. And the way I'd like Top Gun to work is snap all the points to the border edge of what's visible. Okay, and another thing is it's best to keep all the lines horizontally and vertically straight as possible because it's nice and uniform. I know a lot of times when you conform it, you'll start getting all this jagged going on. Alright, and the next option here, have an option to click a button to remove all inner border. Alright, that removes all the faces from this border here, this nice little loop around here. Or have another option also to delete all the outer border edges, all the faces and points. Then the next step, delete inner or outer, that way you just keep the border edge. And the next step, that way you can extrude it inwards or outwards, however you want to do. Alright, and the next step here, the nose was had enough polygons in here that it worked out pretty good, but the eye sockets didn't, so I'm going to need to select some more points. So I selected a few extra points so it could go around the eye sockets, because if you look where my cursor's at, within the eye socket there's just not enough points. So if you would just select a few more extra ones and you would conform it, then that many points would conform around the eye sockets. Alright, then we go in the next step. We're going to unhide the nose here, and now we got the eyes and the nose visible. So in the next step here, we just delete all the outer. That way we can have a nice loop around the nose and the eyes.